Getting an Adventist education in Ukraine when it was under the control of the Soviet Union was not just difficult, it was impossible. The city of Bucha was no exception. But now an Adventist school is providing holistic education to the community.
This is the first such project in the city of Bucha. If we take into account the history of Ukraine, then we have the effects of an atheistic past. We do not have many private schools in Ukraine in general.
In 2015, the Academy of Wisdom Adventist School opened its doors in Bucha with just 8 students. After much prayer and hard work from dedicated teachers and workers, the school has grown to almost 200 students.
More than half of the students in our school do not belong to Adventist families. This is our opportunity to witness to them. The children learn to pray and read the Bible, and they share this with their parents. We have many instances where parents approach us and thank us for having such a special project because they see the changes in their children's behavior. This is because we are integrating the Christian worldview into all the subjects taught in our school.
The Academy of Wisdom is not only a great witnessing tool in the community, but it's also an answer to prayer for many of the Adventist believers in the area. For many years, their children did not have access to Christian education. Students like Sophia were so happy to have a school where they could learn more about Jesus.
I graduated from elementary school and was in a public school for a while, so now I feel the difference. I am very grateful to God that I have the opportunity to study in a Christian school. The morning devotionals with teachers on spiritual topics, praying together, all this helps a lot in my spiritual growth.
Sophia is studying for baptism now and hopes to continue the rest of her education at the Academy of Wisdom. But there is one problem that may make it difficult for students like Sophia to get the Christian education they desperately want.
This project is developing very quickly, and the only reason that currently limits this development is the lack of space. In fact, at the moment, we have a great need for premises. Another 70 parents could not send their children to our school due to the fact that we just could not take them. We need support from you, dear brothers and sisters, and we thank you very much for your support because it will give us the opportunity to build a new room.
A new building will create the space they need to continue spreading the gospel to all of the families wanting a Christian education in Bucha. Then even more students like Sophia can experience how exciting a relationship with Jesus truly is. Please pray for the Academy of Wisdom Adventist School in Ukraine that is spreading the good news of the gospel to dozens of students every day. Consider supporting the school through this quarter's 13 Sabbath offering so they can build the room they need to serve their community. Thank you for your dedication and prayer for mission around the world.